What's up, people? This is Detroit Miracle, and I'm coming to you from the Nature's View. Let's go, Ariel. You see that, people? When you hang with me, you receive a whole variety of viewing pleasures regarding many different topics, subjects, things, and themes, rather than just receiving news about other people's business. It seems like many people that make videos, that's all they do is talk about other people's personal stuff that happens in their lives, rather than what's happening in the lives of the person that's actually filming and talking about whatever incident involving a celebrity that goes on at a particular time. I know I'm sounding scientific about it, but a lot of times you gotta get that way to try to explain and understand why people do what they do. Yeah, people, take in the case with nature, there's much beauty to appreciate out here. There's more to life than just what happens in celebrities' lives. Hey, those famous celebrity entertainers aren't worried about what's going on in your lives, and they aren't as sympathetic to your blights. Hey, I'm not saying I dislike famous celebrity entertainers, because I do appreciate and admire those type of people, because they do give so much to the general public in the form of entertainment of variety. But I'm just saying, dang, why be obsessed 24 hours a day and night with what goes on in their lives, what happens in their households, what goes on in their bedrooms, and who they're dating, and this and that. Like, dang, people, if you spend decades doing that, then you miss out on so much in life. I think you should be preoccupied with yourselves and your families and what you can provide and offer them, as well as what you can receive in a most plentiful amount. Yeah, that's a nice topic for discussion. People in general should reprioritize their interest. Hey, if anyone asks you, you've heard it from Detroit Miracle. So just tell them that. Let me get in closer. Yeah, people, I hear it all the time. What Kardashian is doing this? Which Kardashian did that? What Kardashian said this? Hey, people, worry about your kids. Tend to their affairs. Make sure they're doing their homework. Make sure they're staying out of trouble in school. Make sure they're not having any problems overall. And at the same time, tend to your own marriages and affairs of a most private. I know it seems like I'm telling y'all that in an assertive way, but that's the only way y'all will listen to me. Hey, people, it's up to each individual to do whatever y'all want. Many of y'all are grown, so y'all don't need me to be a daddy figure to y'all, but I do want to be a positive role model to as many people as I possibly can, and I want role models too that will be positive impressions for me to gain motivation from. You know what surprised me about cold winter? Well, it's that all birds don't fly south for the winter. Yeah, I've seen birds out here flying. I guess that means birds are tougher than I thought they were. Because you know you'll have it much more tougher and harder in the winter time than you ever did in the summer. Hey, I know I'll save that for another discussion. Well, folks, thanks for hanging out with Detroit Miracle, and please drop those likes, comments, and up those subscriptions to me and my channel. And peace out.